Alright, let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your phone, search for ugPhone, and install the app. Once it's installed, open ugPhone and tap Allow to give the necessary permissions. Now, hit the Start button and wait for the loading page to appear. When it's done loading, next, check the box to accept the terms and agreement, then tap the Login with Gmail button. On the next page, simply click Skip to continue. When you reach this page, don't touch anything, just wait a few seconds. Soon, you'll see the redeem icon appear. Click on it, and it will take you to the next page. Scroll to the bottom, click Next, and proceed. Now, on the next screen, click the Pay button. Let the page fully complete its process. There are 3 steps in total. This might take anywhere from a couple of seconds to 30 seconds, so be patient. Once it's done, click Check Device. If you see a restarting, please wait message, that means there's an error. In that case, close the app completely from the background and reopen it. This should fix the restarting issue. Now, on the main screen, don't click the big white area. Instead, tap the 3-line More menu at the bottom. From there, select Device Replacement. Change the country from Germany to the United States, and confirm your selection. Wait a moment, then tap on the white screen again. If you face any errors here, close the app from the background and open it again. Tap the white area 2 or 3 times. If it opens, great. If not, repeat the close and reopen step. Now, as you can see, my device has opened successfully. Click Next and then End. Now open the Play Store. Log in using the fresh Gmail account that you used to create this phone profile earlier. I'm signing in here with my Gmail to show you. Enter your Gmail ID, click Next, and type your password. Once sign in, accept the terms by clicking Yes, I'm in, and then agree to the next prompts. Restart the app when asked. Now we're going to install the app called TextNow. This will give us a virtual phone number, and you can create as many as you want. Just make new Gmail accounts and repeat the process. Let the installation finish. Once complete, open the app, tap Sign Up, and select Continue with Gmail. Accept the agreement. On the next screen, choose Use Wi-Fi only for now. Then tap Select Phone Number. Here's an important tip. Use the exact area code I recommend. Tap Next, and you can choose any number from the list. Next, we need to select the right language in the settings. Scroll to just above Arabic and select Azerbaijani. Yes, that's the one. Choosing a different language may cause issues. Click the plus icon under the search bar. Type CA to find Canada, and confirm the selection. If the number you chose earlier is unavailable, click Change Area Code and type 647 again. This time, I'll choose the last number in the list to avoid conflicts. Set the number type to personal. As you can see, our new number is now active in TextNow. Now I'm going to use this number in WhatsApp Web. Once you get your OTP, it will appear right inside TextNow. Copy it and complete your WhatsApp verification. If you want to change the language back to English, click the world icon, select English, and you're done. You can repeat this process with different area codes that work. I've highlighted the ones I recommend to avoid errors. If you want to run TextNow directly on your phone instead of just the virtual device, simply download TextNow on your phone. Log in with the same Gmail you used on the virtual phone, and it will sync your number automatically. You'll still need to create new accounts inside the US server on the virtual phone first, then you can log in on your real phone afterward. And that's it.